I hear you offer 100% financing. Can you give me more information about this?
So we're coming out with a new program, 100% financing. I don't think anyone in the country has it yet, so we're definitely cutting edge on that. I'll give you the Reader's Digest version, definitely a conversation, it's still in the making. Essentially what we do is, this is going to sound a little odd, we provide 100% financing for real estate investors. You have to put up $25,000 held in a trust account. It's a deposit. And you have to do 5 deals a year with us. The reason why we do that is if you do 5 deals or more, we fund 100% of the deal. After the 5th deal, we give you back your $25,000. It's 100% financing.
Okay.
However, we get a lot of phone calls from what, there's no nice way to say it, a bunch of tire kickers. Everyone wants something for nothing.
A tire kicker?
Yeah. People want something for nothing. So my time is very valuable. I don't want someone coming to me going, I want 100% financing, and they're going to be a one-hit wonder.
Right.
It's not worth our time. It's not worth our risk. What happens is if you do 5 or more deals that we fund, and we give you the guidelines, so there's no mystery in any of this. You put up the deposit, so I know you're legit. We fund your deals at the end of the year. We give your 25 grand back. Now, what if you only funded 4 deals, right? Well, you don't get your 25 grand back. But let's look at the math. So if you made, let's just say you made $25,000 per deal, and you did 4 deals a year, you didn't do 5. Mm-hmm. Well, we keep your 25 grand. However, you made 25, 25, 25, 25. So you made 100,000, which means we cap 25 of it. So you made $75,000. Why would someone do 100% financing? And it's not for people that are broke as a joke. It's for people that have money, but you want to use someone else's money. You want to use my money versus yours.
Sure.
You want leverage. Maybe you've got 2 deals and that 3rd deal comes and it's really great, but you don't have the bandwidth to do it.
Sure.
So if you want more information on 100% financing, it's a great program. You can either pick up the phone and call the office, or you can just email us. Happy to give you more details on 100% financing.
Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Please go ahead and fill out the section below with your questions, and who knows, you may have them answered by Chief Denney on our next programming.
Thank you for joining us.